as a daisy. So let's talk about a common mistake, a common question, not a mistake. So what is the biggest mistake? So just tell me what is the biggest mistake many people they can't speak English yet. Many people or many English learners they study English for year to year, but they still struggling to speak English. So what is the some point that they are doing it, but they are not realizing, and that's why they are not improving. So I'm going to talk about 4 point. But first point, okay, let me talk about first point. Thinking too much about grammar or focusing too much on grammar. When you start indulging yourself into grammar, you can't speak English. Okay, let's say one example. If you want to be a swimmer, so what you have to do? You have to practice. You have to practice in a practical way. Once you are not ready to go in the pool, so how will you learn swimming? Okay, so we can't learn swimming by reading, by writing. You have to practice. This is the biggest mistake every learner make. So don't do that mistake and try to speak English. Whatever you are getting, try to speak. Whether you are going to make a mistake or not, but don't think about mistake. Okay. And second thing is about translating everything in their native language to Hindi, native language to English, right? So let's say that what I used to do in my back day. Earlier, when I wanted to speak in English, so I was trying to involve into grammar. I was watching some video, getting some translation, and they were suggesting that first you have to mug up all the things. But I was not aware of right way, but day by day, when I started involving myself, when I started typing myself in this journey, day by day, slowly, gradually, I came to know all the things. So I started instead of translating everything my native language to English, I thought of thinking. I started thinking directly in English. Even though I started practicing in front of mirror, camera, or talking to myself in English, that was really, really helping me a lot. So I will highly recommend you all to not do the mistake like me. Otherwise, you can't speak. One more thing I would like to point out is about I was thinking and I had a misconception that I can speak English after 1 year, 2 year without practicing. And I was a very fool. I was very, very mad, I can say. And the second, like third mistake is to fear of making mistake. Right. So whenever we are going to learn anything, if we are a beginner, we don't know how to speak in English. We keep thinking everything started dwelling in our head if we go for speaking part, and if we start speaking to someone, definitely they will mock us, they will pull our leg, but it doesn't like it. Okay, if you are a really enthusiastic learner, you want to learn this language, so definitely you have to throw yourself into the deep water, right? Before practicing, before thinking that okay, I can't do that, you are making a biggest mistake. This is the biggest mistake of your life. So just do and just start speaking from today. Okay, so I was saying that translating into our head. So even though in my initial days I was doing the same, and I'm not denying that you are not going to do this activity. Definitely or surely you will make the mistake while learning, while speaking. And in the beginning, I can understand. Even I used to translate all the thing, and then I was speaking. It was a very, very long process, and I was like that. I was thinking, and I was wondering, how long will it take to being a fluent speaker? Okay, so one of my friends said to me, keep consistent and stay patient. Everything will fall into your place, but try to learn this language and try to throw yourself into the deep water. When you do like that, definitely you will go ahead. It will take your fluency up to the mark, but you have to practice a lot. So, so I'm going to last and final mistake people are often doing it. So, not practice daily, not practice regularly, and this is the biggest mistake. Recently, I got a learner who was saying to me that I'm not able to speak for 2, 3 days. I will speak to you after 3, 4 days later. I suggested him, if you do like this, so definitely you are not going to become, you're not going to be a fluent speaker. If you really want to speak like it, so surely you have to speak for 30 minutes or for 1 hour daily. And not only with me, you can also speak to yourself. Just go ahead and shoot your video and start talking about yourself, your surrounding, and start talking to yourself, because we are not practicing daily and then we are expecting that we can speak. So this is the common, and I think this is the biggest mistake in my opinion. So so overall, then overall we can understand how much how much consistent we are. If you are a kind of really enthusiast learner, you really want to speak like me. So every time, every single day, I speak a lot. So as you all are aware that I'm uploading this kind of video, like conversational video, even though I'm making a daily vlog, this is really, really helping me. And it's extremely working for my fluency. Even though everyone wants to go to their next level, they want to beyond their next level, they want to speak English as an advanced speaker. Even I'm working for my future, even I'm working for my fluency, even though I everyone has a dream. One thing I would like to suggest to you, what I did, like what I was doing it when I was not able to speak in English. I was working on my grammar, I was working on my phrasal verb, expression, everything I used to do. But it was not working because I was not in the mood, because I had a lack of confidence. I was not thinking about, I was just wasting my time. And right now I'm crying over spilled the milk. I used this expression, so let me point out, cry over spilled the milk, it means to regret of something. Okay. So right now I'm regretting why I had not started my journey that moment. If I had started my journey, definitely I would have spoken speaker. Right. And right now I can see myself that a good speaker, even though I'm making mistake. Although you are going to also make a mistake, but don't give up. Don't try to throw in the towel. Keep working, keep going, and I believe that one day you can speak. So those were 4 points that I had already given you. If you try to apply on your speaking, so definitely, and I'm sure that you will speak English. So don't do the mistake. Keep going, keep working, and this is my final things. You can apply, you can speak whatever you want. You just need to take a step. Right. So yeah, this is what I wanted to say, and I think we have to go, and we will meet next. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and just try to watch my video. So bye bye. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.